A very good morning to my dear children. Once again. Okay. All are safe now? Yes? Yes. All are fine now? Yes? Then stay safe and hold your life. Okay. हमारे पिछले कक्षा में हम कोवलन और कार्नेगी के बारे में पढ़ा था, है ना? ओके. कोवलन और कार्नेगी के कथा सुनाई, आप बहुत मज़ा आई ना. आज हम हमारे ग्रामर पाठ को बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं, है ना? आप तैयार हैं? Yes. All are listen here. Today we are going to discuss our grammar part. Okay. All are ready now? Yes. What is the first one? All of you take your book and question answer. I will send through WhatsApp. Write it that. Okay. Then all of you take your textbook and listen the Bhashagyan side. Okay. First question what है? समान अर्थ वाले दो दो शब्द चुनकर लिखे. समान अर्थ वाले शब्द, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? उसका मतलब क्या है? समान अर्थ वाले शब्द मीन्स व्हाट है? सेम synonyms word, समान वाले शब्द. Okay. Then when I what is synonyms? Synonyms words, one word has so many another words but meanings same. Okay, this is called synonyms. So here also said that saman अर्थ वाले शब्द, same words. Okay, so दो दो चुनकर लिखे, दो दो शब्द चुनकर लिखे. Okay, then one circle is there, inside many words also are there. Then you just find from there which are the correct synonyms words, the particular word. Okay, understood children? Listen. Gahana. Then I will tell only. I will not write on the board. You okay? Why? You should watch the videos and you should write it alone. Okay. Then Gahana means Abhushan, Alangar. Gahana means we already studied when we take in the class. Okay. Gahana means what? Ornaments. The same meaning word what is Abhushan and Alangar. Okay. Pradishta. Pradishta means what? Respect. Okay. प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति, कोवलन बहुत गाँव में एक प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति है. प्रतिष्ठित means what is respect. Okay. Then what are the words is coming in look? What are the words coming look? Izzat, Adar. Okay. Where is the word? You should find from the circle. Okay. Izzat, Adar. Next, Bahumuli. Bahumuli means what? Very precious or very valuable. What is the word say? Mulyavan, Kimati. Okay. Next what? Karagar. Karagar means what? Jail. We studied no? Karagar means jail. Jail and Bandigreh. Okay. Which are the words? Jail or Bandigreh. Next, Aparati. Aparati means criminal. Okay. Criminal. Kasurva Doshi. Okay. Kasurva Doshi. Understood now? Okay. You must watch the video and find from the circle. Okay. And write it in your textbook. Okay. Next word है निर्तदा सु उपसर्ग लगाकर शब्द बनाए और इनके अर्थ लिखें. ओके. ऐसा निर्तदा सु उपसर्ग. व्हाट इज उपसर्ग? Make word using prefix nir and su. Write the meaning also. Okay. What you want to do? Read the words and you should use the nir or su उपसर्ग and उसका अर्थ लिखें. Okay. Listen. What are the words are there? Nir plus dan. Nirdan. Maybe you learned your previous class. The earth symbol we can use 3 types. Okay. If it is this is a R, then we can use this symbol and we can use this symbol and we can use this symbol also. Okay. Did you study that, no children? Okay. Then listen, like this coming here also, nirdan. How we will change it? If it is a word, listen, nir plus dan. How we will change the word? Say, how we will change the word? Which symbol we will use here? Instead of this earth, which symbol we will use? Yes. Which one? Yes, this one. Nirdan. Okay. Next word what? What is the meaning? Garib. What? Garib. Garib means poor. Very poor. Okay. Next word what? Nirjal. Nir plus jal. Which symbol we will use? Eh? Yes. Same symbol. Nirjal. Nirjal. That means what? Nirjal means what? Say. Nirjal means what? Say. Bina jal ke. Okay. Next look. Nirbal. Nirbal means how we will write? Nir plus bal. Nirbal means what? Nirbal means what? Weak persons. Okay, kamzor. With bina bal. Okay, kamzor. Kamzor. Okay, bina bal. Okay. Next what? Nir plus jan. Nirjan. Nir plus jan. Nirjan. Nirjan means sunsan. Sajjan means what? Good peoples. Nirjan means what? Bad peoples. Okay. Sunsan. Next, su. Use the su upasarga. We didn't study what is upasarga. What is prefix say? Before the main words, we using some special words. That is called prefix. Here what we used? What is the main word? Main word dan, jal, bal, jan. Okay. These are the main words. Okay. So, we used before the nir, like this special words that is called prefix. Understood, children? Have you any doubt? Okay. Before the main word, we using some special words that is called prefix. Okay. So, this is the prefix. हिंदी में उपसर्ग. Okay. मूल शब्द के पहले आने वाले शब्दों को उपसर्ग कहते हैं. क्या है? मूल शब्द के पहले आने वाले शब्दों को उपसर्ग कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? उपसर्ग कहते हैं. Okay, here this is the upasarga words. Okay, understood. Next we are going to use su upasarga. Which upasarga? Su. Which upasarga? Next we are going to use su. Su upasarga. Okay. For example, su plus, what is the word in your textbook? Su plus putra. Putra. How we will join the word? Say, what is the meaning? Suputra. Already there in your textbook. Then we will join this word सुपुत्र. ओके, इसका अर्थ क्या है? इसका अर्थ अच्छा पुत्र, गुड सन. ओके, अच्छा पुत्र. Okay, next what is the word? Su plus gandh. What? Su plus gandh. Gandh means what? Smell. Okay, so sugandh. Sugandh means what? Sugandh. Okay, what is the means of sugandh? Fragrance. Okay, Hindi में खुशबू. खुशबू. Okay, next su plus leg. Su plus leg. How we will join? Suleg. Right? Suleg. Okay. Suleg means leg means क्या है? ग्रंथ. Okay. So suleg. The suleg. What is the meaning? Suleg. अच्छा ग्रंथ. Okay, understood now? Here also we using the su prefix. Okay, कुछ शब्द के पहले आने वाले शब्दों को प्रीफिक्स और उपसर्ग कहते हैं. ओके, यहाँ सु उपसर्ग हम प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके, यहाँ सु उपसर्ग हम प्रयोग करते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? ओके, लिसन नेक्स्ट वन. संयुक्त व्यंजन के 5 शब्द पाठ से चुनकर लिखे. वेरी इजी जॉब that you should do. What do you want to do? Listen, find out 5 words, clusters and write. Okay, 5 words clusters. What is the cluster word? Say cluster word. Vyanjan cluster word. Okay, say cluster word means what? Together coming words, you know, that is cluster word. Okay, say some cluster words, children, just learned in previous classes, 6th, when you are 3rd, 4th. Okay, like that all classes you studied the cluster words. Say what are the cluster words? We can use va plus ya, vya, sha plus cha, sha, ta plus ta, tha, ma plus ma, ma. Okay, these are the like this coming all words we calling cluster words. Okay, understood children? Then in our chapter many cluster words are there. Find it that. Okay, kannagi, pashat, kannagi, double na is coming. Pashat, cha and cha is coming. Okay, then ashadri, sha and cha is coming. Next, what are the words? Saman purvak, double ma is coming. Like this, cluster words you should find from your textbook and write in your textbook. Okay, understand children? Okay, listen next. पूर्वक प्रत्यय लगाकर शब्द बनाए. Use the पूर्वक प्रत्यय and make the words. Okay, what do you want to do? Use the पूर्वक. Use the पूर्वक प्रत्यय and शब्द बनाए. Use the पूर्वक suffix and make the words. Okay, what is suffix? We already told enough. Prefix. Then before the main word coming the words, that is called prefix. So what is suffix? After the main word coming some special words, that is called suffix. Okay, after the main word and before the main word. Understood now? Then which upasarga we want to use? Say Purvak upasarga. Use the purvak suffix and make a words. Okay. Then here already have some examples. Dhyan plus purvak. Dhyan is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. So it will be dhyan purvak. Okay. It will be dhyan purvak. Understood? Next one what? Prem plus purvak. Prem is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. It will be prem purvak. Okay. Prem purvak. Okay. Next one what? Bal purvak. Bal is the main word and purvak is the suffix word and it will be bal purvak. The question on all there in your textbook. Okay, that's why I just writing here answer only. Okay. Next, sug plus purvak. Sug is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. It will be sug purvak. Okay. Understood, children? Next, sahas purvak. Sahas plus purvak. Sahas is the main word. Purvak is the suffix word. It will be sahas is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. It will be sahas purvak. Okay. Next what? Dhairya purvak. Okay. Dhairya is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. It will be Dhairya purvak. Dhairya plus purvak. Okay. Adar plus purvak. Adar purvak. Adar is the main word. Purvak is the suffix word. It will be adar purvak. Okay. Next word. Shanti plus purvak. Shanti purvak. Shanti is the main word and purvak is the suffix word. It will be Shanti purvak. Okay. Understood, children? Okay. Listen next. ये सभी शब्द क्रिया विशेषण है. Then these all words are knowing adverb. Okay. These all words are knowing adverb. Okay. Then what is adverb?